Hello, welcome back to Java programming. In the previous video we have seen how to create an applet. In the video we have seen a program for creating a basic applet to display a text on the screen, and for that video we have used Eclipse IDE for developing the application. In this video also we are using the same. So we have a Java project bundle here. In this we have a package test, and here we have the previous program, and in the program there is a class. The name of the class is test applet. This is a program. We have one string variable and x, y, two integer variables, and these are all the methods: destroy, init, paint, start and stop. These are all the basic methods for the applet classes. Okay, anyhow, we will create a new class in a new program in this video. So go to new, and we are going to create a class, and it is in the package test, and we can give the name for the class applet paint. So in this video I am planning to demonstrate something about the paint methods functionality, the basic features of the paint and what we can do in the paint, how to display, how to draw some shapes and display the text in different formats. So I am giving the name applet paint and leave these checkboxes unchecked and finish. So we got the template for the class applet paint, and the file name is also the same, and we have to extend this class with the features of applet class, so that we can use the applet methods. For that we have to extend extends applets. So it is giving error, so we have to import applet, that is java.applet. So import java.applet. So here we need the basic methods for the applet class. First of all, public void init. On initialization, what to do, those features we can give here if you want to give, and public void start. So when it is started, what to do, and public void stop, stop. So when the applet is getting stopped, what to do, then public void destroy. And when it is painted, so again the type is public void and paint, and paint is having an argument that's of graphics type, and we will create an object for that. The name of the object we can give as G or whatever you wish, but it is not accepting G. The reason is we have to import some header file for graphics. Let us see what to import for the graphics. That is import graphics. That is, the graphics class is defined in the java.awt.star, or if you want to import graphics alone, then give the graphic class, then it will be imported. And here, so if you want to do anything, we have to do it in the paint method. So we have the object g dot for in the last video we used draw string for displaying a string on the screen, and it is asking for some arguments. Okay, we will give some variables, s for a string, and we can give some x1 comma y1 for the locations of the values to be printed. It is giving error because we haven't declared x, y, x1, y1, s and all. So s can be string, s will be string s, and we can, oh, it's in uppercase, s equal to, and within quotation. Okay, I'm going to give some text, and we have two variables of integer type, int x1 comma y1, and so let me assign some values here itself. X1 equal to 90 and y1 x1 equal to 90 and y1 equal to 80, some values 80. So when it is getting printed, it is going to be printed in the location 90, 80. And for just displaying a string on the text, text is some text, to display it on 90, 80, I suppose this program is sufficient. Let me run and see. Yeah, some text is printed here in the Applet viewer. So we are getting it in the 80, 90 or 90, 80. This is a location where it is getting printed. Some text is the text which is given in the string. If you want to change the position, then you can change the values from 90 to some other value, and from 80 to some other value. Then the location can be changed. Instead of this some text, if you want to print something else, that also possible. So I'm going to display my name, Shaji Philip, and let me run and see. So it is getting printed over here. My name got printed here. And if I want to change the location, instead of 90, I am trying some other value, 150, and I am going to test it. So it is getting to a different location. So this is the one. Okay, if you change the text, that text displayed will be changed. The value in the s, it is getting printed. And if you want to change the location, you just change the values of x1 and y1. Okay, this is about basic printings. And suppose if you want to print it in some color, there is a method called set color, and this color is set color is taking an argument of color type color dot. There are certain values, predefined values, and all those values are in java.awt dot star. So it is not imported. Okay, we will import. So if you want the color blue, so the graphics will be using a pen with color blue. Let me run it. Now it is getting printed in blue color. So if you want to change the color attribute, so you have to give a color here. So dot some other color. If you want to choose green color, if you want to apply green color, then put the color as green and run the program. So it is in the green. So my name got displayed in green color. So if you want to change the color property, you can change the color like this. And of course, if you want to do some graphics, if you want to draw some shapes, basic shapes, that also is possible. G dot, see a list of functions are given, methods are given. So draw line is asking for a draw line, so we have to give the arguments. Okay, I'm starting the line from 10, and the second argument also 10 comma 10 to 100 comma 10, and I'm putting semicolon here to finish it. Let me save the program, run and see what is going to happen. So I got a line on the top, that location is 10 comma 10, and up to 100 comma 100 it is printed. And if I change the values, the line position also will be changed. Okay, I put a value 100 comma 10, 100 comma 10, so it is going to be a dot instead of a line. So let me change the value to 100 here, so that we will get a line. So now it is giving a vertical line. That means only this value, y value, is being changed and x value is kept constant. And if you want a little bigger line, then you can increase and run the program. So the length of the line is, the height of the line is more, because we start from 500 pixel to the 10 pixel, so there is a gap of 10 pixel. You can notice that this is the 10 pixel. So after leaving 10 pixels, the line started drawing or ending, whatever. And this much is a unit of this length is 100 points. So these points are measured in terms of pixels. Let us change the color of this line. For changing the color here, we can change the color of pen before drawing. So set color, and we can give the color value, set color dot some other color. So these are all the standard colors available. Okay, I'm going to give orange color. So this line will be printed in orange color, painted in orange color. So we are using the paint method. Of course it will be paint. So text is being printed in one color, that is green. We have chosen green pen at that time. After that we change the pen color to orange. Now it is painting in orange color. And let us try some more graphic objects there. So G dot draw oval is there, oval shape, if you want to draw the oval shape. So it is asking for 4 arguments. One is x, second y, and radius 1 and radius 2. If you want to make a circle or an ellipse, this method can be used for both circle as well as ellipse. So I am going to give values 100 comma 200, and here I am going to give a fixed radius. So both radius values are equal. I am giving in that way. So, and it is being drawn. But before drawing, I am going to change color of it. G dot set color, color dot color dot let me give some other color, red. I am going to give red color here. and here I want to use a semicolon to separate. So save and run this program. So let me expand this screen, output screen. Okay, there is one circle in red color, text in green color, line in orange color. So the circle is of 100 pixel radius, and the location of this circle is 100, 200. That is the location of this circle. So if you make the radius different, radius bigger, then the circle will be different. So here I am going to try two radiuses of two different values, and let us try what is going to happen. And here the circle became an ellipse. So this is one radius, and this is another radius. We have two radius values. So the smallest radius is 100, and the biggest radius is, this is the smallest radius, that is 100, and the bigger one is 200. So by using two radius values, we are getting a circle as an ellipse. Here I am giving it in the opposite way, so that the ellipse will be expanded in the other way around. So the ellipse is taller, so it is having the bigger radius towards upwards or downwards, and the left and right direction the radius is the smaller one. So we can draw a ellipse or a circle using this method. And again I am going to draw some other shape. G dot set color. Every time I am changing the color to make it more visible. Color dot pink color. We can go for pink color this time, and G dot there is a method called fill oval if you want some filled shape. So again I am going to give 100, 200. I am going to draw this fill oval within the bigger oval. So I want to give a small radius here, 20, 20. So it will be a circle, it won't be a ellipse, because these two radius values are equal. If the radius values are equal, it will be a circle, otherwise it will be an ellipse. Okay, let us run and see the program. This is the output. Let me drag and see it. Oh, the circle is not in the desired position. X, Y. Okay, this will be the starting position we have to calculate, and we have to put accordingly. Okay, anyhow, this is the method to fill an ellipse, or we can draw an ellipse which is filled with the color. So this is an empty one without filling. This is a line, this is a text. These are all the basic graphics primitives which we can use for drawing different shapes. Okay, this is a way to create small graphics programs using Applet. Okay, this we are created in a package test, and we have imported certain packages here. java.applet.applet. It is for getting the functionality of applet into our applet pane class, so that we can use init, start, stop, destroy and pane methods in the applet class. And we are using java.awt for color and awt for graphics. If you want to declare it separately like this, it's good. Otherwise we can simply put star, so that all the functionalities are imported together. In that case we don't require this statement. Whatever graphics, color, all those details are imported together. Whatever the details, whatever the classes in the AWT package will be imported into our class. We can use all those functionalities. Okay, here in the applet class we have certain variables, members, data members. First of all, we have a string member, that is s, and it got some value, that's my name given there, and int value x comma y, some integer value, so that we can draw some line or circle, or we can put string in some position. And we have these standard methods, we haven't used it at all. Init, start, stop, and destroy. These are all some methods which whenever we need all those functionalities we can override. Overriding means these functionalities are already defined in the applet class. We can use these methods into our class if you want to make our own definitions, that is overriding. The ones which are already written we can overtake and we can write our own codes. But of course in the paint method we have overridden, or we have done our own functionalities, then only we can draw or print our text and graphics on the screen. So that is being overridden. So g dot color, what is g? G is an object of graphics type. So to plot some graphic detail into the screen, we have to make an object of the graphics type which is in AWT. And g dot set color, whatever colors are there we can set those colors. Or if you want to use RGB color, of course we can use RGB combination, red, green, blue combination of color as well. And to draw a string or to print a string, we use g dot draw string, the string value plus we have to give the values, x, y values of the string where it should be printed. X, y values gives where the string is getting printed. Similarly, if you want to draw a line, so we have to give the points, x1 y1 point and x2 y2 point. If you want to know more about the line and the features of line, in my video it is already given. It's about line drawing using Bresnam's algorithm as well as DD algorithm, and it is described in C language. And if you want to draw a circle, then we can use circle or ellipse. There are two radiuses. If both radiuses are equal, then it will be a circle, else it will be a ellipse. And the last one, this is for filling an oval. If you want to create an oval or circle with fill color, so it is being drawn in with a filled pattern. The color is predefined here, color dot pink. We have applied the pink color for this method to print. So this is something like brushes. We can choose our brush, or we can pick a brush of different kind, and the rest of the drawing will be in that color until we change the brush. So here in this example we have changed our brush every time. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and in case if you have any doubt or if you need any clarification, please feel free to contact me. My email ID is it_teacher1@yahoo.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please try this program in your text editor or in some IDE like Eclipse IDE or NetBeans IDE or any other IDE, and try this program and see what is happening. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.